Hello, I'm Dr. Deepti, and under the aegis of Decreation Physics, we are discussing different concepts in physics. So, let us talk about the concept of field in physics. A physical quantity which can be specified everywhere in space as a function of position is called a field. Now, when one says physical quantities, there are two kinds of physical quantities, namely scalar and vector. So a scalar quantity will lead to a scalar field while a vector quantity will lead to a vector field. Now a physical quantity can be specified only by its magnitude. It's called a scalar quantity. A typical example is distance or mass or time, for example. If you just say 5 seconds, you know the time. You don't have to specify any kind of direction here. So a field related to this will be a scalar field. Let us elaborate and talk about another example. Let us talk about example of temperature field. A room can be called to be a region of temperature field because one can specify the temperature at every point in the room. So here temperature is a scalar function of the position. Let us imagine that a heat source is kept at origin and the room can be looked at in terms of axis. Then for all the points which are closer to the heat source, that is closer to the origin, temperature is going to be very high. But as we start going away from the heat source, temperature will decrease. So for lower values of xyz, which are essentially closer to the origin, temperature will be high, and for higher values of xyz, which are essentially at a farther distance from the origin, temperature will be lower. So here this is a scalar field and the room is the region of temperature field or region of the scalar field where temperature is the scalar. Now what about vector field? First, let us look at vectors. So, if a physical quantity is characterized by both magnitude and direction, then it is called a vector quantity. For example, force. You cannot just give magnitude for force. You need to also talk about the direction. So, force is a vector quantity. And a vector quantity which can be specified at every point in a region of space is a vector field. We know that on Earth we encounter gravitational force. So we can talk about gravitational force field of the Earth. And here at every point the vector field, namely gravitational force field, can be specified by the magnitude and the direction of acceleration due to gravity, where we know that acceleration is force per unit mass at every point in space. So, what is the concept of field? Any physical quantity which can be specified everywhere in space as a function of position is a field. If the physical quantity can be specified by its magnitude alone, that if it is a scalar like temperature, it will lead to a scalar field. So a room will be called a region of temperature field if we can specify temperature at every point in a room. Similarly, if the physical quantity is vector, that means it requires both magnitude and direction, it will be called a vector field which can be specified again at every point in the region of space. So every point on the earth can be considered to be in gravitational force field of the earth. So this is the concept of field. Thank you.